Okay, perfect. Perfect. Just get all of it. Okay, next is Ray's present. Levi, what do you want for... No. Get out. You can't see. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just get out. Oh, she almost saw. There. Done. Now I need to hide these. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Well, the mall is closed and I don't really know what to do, so I'm just gonna sleep and hope that I can go to the mall tomorrow and it won't be too busy.
Levi. Ugh! What? What do you want? What does it do?
One more day until Christmas and it's snowing.
What?
It's snowing outside.
It is?
It's snowing. Will you go play outside with me?
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, sure.
Okay. But also,
how many presents are there? And who are they for? Well, most of your presents are gonna be coming from Santa, so I don't know. And what are all those? Those are, they're props for a play. I'm gonna be in a play.
You are? Can I come see it?
Yeah, yeah. Here, you go get dressed and, yeah, I'll be out in a second, okay? Thank you. I gotta hide these better. Oof. So much snow.
Racia,
Where are we even going? So cool.
I win.
Ow!
I win. So what are you getting Dixie for Christmas?
What?
Yeah, we're gonna be playing White Elephant. So you need to get everybody Christmas presents.
Oh, I do?
That's literally what the White Elephant is.
Go inside, okay?
Why?
Just go inside.
Okay.
Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Move.
What kind of stores do I think my sister will like? Well, hey there, partner. What? You seem to be looking for a Christmas present for a special someone, a sibling, a parent, a grandparent, an aunt, an uncle, a cousin. Okay, yeah, but how do you know? Why else would you be at the mall in the morning on Christmas Eve? Did you forget to get a present for a loved one? Yeah, I did. Well, I think I could help you. I could be of assistance. Thanks, but no thanks. No, really. I can help you. Well, how would you know what a 14-year-old moody girl wants for Christmas? Because I have a 14-year-old moody girl for a sister, so I think I can help you. Follow me. If we're going to Claire's, I'm gonna kill you. Has she surpassed the emo phase? Yeah, she has. Well, lucky you. My sister is the worst right now. Cool, but I'm just here to shop for my sister. I don't really care about yours. Oh, well, in that case, bye. Alright then. Hi! Ah! Hi.
What you here for?
Just a Christmas present for my sister.
Okay, I can help with that.
Well, she's really girly and she likes to paint her claws. Then I have just a thing for you. Stay here, mister.
This is the Pink Polish Perfection little gift basket. And now, this is going to look amazing on your sister. We just need to know what size of clothing she wears, and then it'll be perfect. One thing is you have to wash it.
Okay, have to wash it with cold water, and oh, look over there. That's a really good deal. She's kind of smells weird.
Yeah, are you listening?
This store is weird. What is even the name? Is this guy a serial killer? Why is he trying to wait? Yeah, what?
Say to wash it on.
Forgot the lip
No, I don't want the lip gloss. Are you having more trouble? Yes, I am. But you didn't really help me in the first place, so get out of my face. I don't like you, you're annoying, and I don't need your help. Come on, let's just be friends. I'm not interested in being your friend. Well, what did I do? You took me to the wrong store. The shop owner is crazy, threw lip gloss at me, and no, I'll just make my sister something. That when you say that you're gonna make your sister something, that means you're just gonna go home, forget about it, and then after Christmas you're gonna feel like a goof because you didn't give your sister a present. Look, I've went through it before. I don't know what to get my sister either. She's honestly way too picky than she has to be. But us bros should stick together, you know? The holidays are just... Oh my gosh. Do you see what store is opening? Uh-huh. Woohoo! Yay!
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind. Run, Rudolph, Randolph ain't too far behind.
Emo Squad, where we at?
Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it
I
to
can't
town.
wait to go home for Christmas.
We want deals! We want deals! I will find someone for the deals! If you guys won't chill out, I'm gonna call mall security. Just you try and stop us!
Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, Rudolph, reeling like a merry-go-round.
Hi, Levi. How are you
yeah,
doing?
hey, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah, that's
I'm
great.
just sitting in my car at Taco Bell.
So, David told me that you went out to the mall or something in a rush.
Yeah, I
About
did.
Christmas
I
presents?
forgot
Are you
something.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, just be home soon. 'Cause,
Yeah. I'll be home.
saying there's
Yeah,
gonna be a blizzard.
I'm
so
fine.
Be careful.
Totally.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Do you want to go put a wreath up?
Everyone, chill out. Come on, let's go. Ah! All of you will form an orderly line to shop, and then form another orderly line and be calm while you're checking out, or I will kick you out of the mall. I didn't know you had that power. Just go shop and be calm and normal. Oh my gosh, I just want to go home. Hi, I'd like to buy this hairdryer.
Are you a rewards member?
What?
Are you a rewards member?
No.
Would you like to become one?
No, thank you. I'm good.
Would you like to donate $50 or under to a society of misfortune orphans who traveled on a train from Oregon to get all the way here? Would you? It's really not that hard. You just give us cash and we'll donate. So you have the donate basket right over there. No, thank you. Misfortune. Okay, that would be about $60.44. It said right here there's a sale. Okay, total comes down to $40.40. Here you go. Okay, just swipe your card. Okay. What do you like in a bag?
Yes, please. I can't even see. Oh, I gotta pull over.
Hey, chum! Whatever your name was, come here. There's supposed to be a blizzard. You gotta stay here.
No, I'm not gonna stay. I gotta go home.
No, it's gonna be really bad. Come on.
Look, I'm sorry. It's just, I didn't want you to freeze. I barely know you. Why would you care? Just Look, I thought we had a connection. Maybe we could be friends. I don't know. But I wanted to help you, and I just wanted to be nice, cause, well, what? My sister, you know, she told me to get out of the house, so I left, and I just want to get her a present to make it all better after the fight, but I didn't think it was gonna do any good, so I just kind of adopted you as my brother, you know? I don't even know what species of animal you are. We can't be brothers. Well, just like, hung out with you for the day, since my family don't like me right now, but, you know, look, I just thought maybe we could be friends, maybe we could hang out, because I don't think we'll be able to go home anytime soon. Well, I'm gonna go cozy up in the janitor's closet. Wake me up when this nightmare is over. Come on, man, let's go. Come on, I understand. I might be a little annoying, but I'm just trying to make a friend or be close with someone until I can be close with my family again. All I want is a friend. I'm really lonely right now. Really? Yes, really. I'm completely lonely right now, and I just need someone to talk to and someone to be nice to me. I've been having some problems with my family ever since my dad died. It's just not been the same, and everything's been real hard on everyone. Well, it's okay. I understand. You know, I'm not that good at making friends, but, you know, it'll be alright, I promise. Well, that's good. I thought I'd have to sell my soul to the devil to get some friends. Let's go! Where are we even going? Hold on, my sister's texting me. Oh, no. Well, what's wrong? Apparently the power went out, and they're not doing too well. Nice, the power went out. Guess it ain't a joke out there. It's pretty bad. How am I gonna get home to my family? Well, hold on, stay here. Oh my god. So, we can stay at the mattress store, everyone who's at the mall, because there's gonna be some storms for a little while, so we can all stay at the mattress store, sleep, and then maybe come home in the morning. Maybe we can wake up in the middle of the night and we can get home if the storm is cleared. I feel like it would be worse to drive at night though. Well, I can walk. We'll take our separate ways. I would rather drop you off. It's really bad out there. I don't want you to freeze. That's true. Look, I'll be fine. You go. Go. What? You gotta go. You gotta be with your family. Don't worry about me. Just get your stuff and go. Just take a run for it, get in your car, turn the heat up all the way. Like, I mean, all the way. Like, all the way. So you stay as warm as possible and just get home. Because my family don't like me right now, and it'll be fine. I'll spend Christmas somewhere else. Just go, okay? Okay. One question though. What? What's your question? What's up with your accent? You didn't have it before. Oh, whose present is next? It says, to the best friend ever. To Levi. Did you write it, Ray? Nope. I didn't either. No. Nope. Alright then. Levi, wake up. Come on. We have a present for you. Huh? Oh. Okay, just bring it on over. Who's it from? I don't know. The name is scratched out. Okay. I got a book. Cool. What's it titled? Memoirs of a Farm. Memoirs of a Farm. Memoirs of a Farm.
Levi, are you alright? You doing okay?
Well, that's
You're
good. I
kinda
thought I'd have to
quiet.
send my
I
soul
think
to
he's
the devil
fine.
to get some friends. Let's
I think
go!
he's thinking. I would leave him
Where
alone.
are we even going?
Well, what were you doing out there in the cold?
Oh, sorry. I was just probably lost. I'll leave. Hey, I remember you. You're from the mall. I knew you'd remember me. Howdy. Hi. I'm so sorry about what happened. I'm sorry for knocking you out. I just wasn't ready to reveal who I was. And I know exactly who you are. Wait, y'all know each other? What? It's good to have you back, Johnny. Yeah, it is. So how do you know him? Well, basically, this whole thing was a trick. I set him up to go meet you at the mall, you two to become friends and everything. This is my ex-boyfriend. What? Yeah, I'm actually older than you, and, yeah. We decided to meet each other up again, and, so, yeah, it's good to have you back. Yeah, same. I could tell you're shocked. You need to sit down a little? Yeah, he's kind of faint of heart. But anyway, we're having Christmas dinner. You want to join us? Of course, I'd be delighted.
And with that, the heartwarming story came to an end.